Does your pressure washer or small engine run at first, maybe 10-15 seconds excellent, and then just starts running rough, dying out, almost going to a stall or even stalling out? You might think it's the carburetor, but this time it was not. It was actually the spark plug. So always check the spark plug. Don't forget. Most of the spark plugs last a long time if you use a good quality like NGK, but sometimes they do fail. Let me show you what it's doing. That's what it's doing. It runs perfect for a little bit, and it starts hesitating and cutting out, but it either stall or just sometimes it catches itself and runs again. But it kind of threw me off because generally the spark plugs, and it's an NGK, which is one of the best brands, fail. And I'll show you a picture of it. There was two problems. It was just carboned up, and sometimes they fail on the inside, the internals. And my thoughts are maybe when it heats up, it's not getting a good connection through on the inside. Maybe the ceramic cracked or something, but also the gap was too small. Generally it's 28 to 40 thousandths depending on what machine it is, and it was set at about 20 thousandths. But let me go ahead and pull the spark plug out. Show you what it looks like. And go ahead and put the new one in. This is XL 2500 Pressure Washer. It says Excel DeVilBiss Air Power Company. XR2500 is the model. It's got a 5 horsepower Honda engine. For a small pressure washer, it does pretty good. But I thought it was the it just seemed kind of like the carburetor issue. The only thing was weird is it would run perfect for a little bit. So that's what kind of threw me off there. And generally I don't see spark plug issues, but that's what this one was. I did pull the carburetor off. There's a tiny bit of debris in the bowl, but everything else was clear. Now I'll go ahead and start it up, and my dog will supervise.